قال فاخرج منها فإنك رجيم.
The Lord said, then get out of here, you are rejected.
وَإِنَّ عَلَيْكَ اللَّعْنَةَ إِلَى يَوْمِ الدِّينِ.
And there shall be a curse upon you till the day of recompense.
قَالَ رَبِّ فَأَنذِرْنِي إِلَى يَوْمِ يُبْعَثُونَ.
Iblis said, my Lord, grant me respite till the day when they will be resurrected.
قال فإنك من المنظرين.
Allah said, for sure you're granted respite.
إلى يوم الوقت المعلوم.
Until the day of a known time.
قال رب بما أغويتني لأزينن لهم في الأرض ولأغوينهم أجمعين.
Iblis said, my Lord, in the manner you led me to error, I will make things on earth seem attractive to them and lead all of them to error.
إلا عبادك منهم المخلصين.
Except those of your servants whom you have singled out for yourself.
قال هذا صراط علي مستقيم.
Allah said, here is the path that leads straight to me.
إن عبادي ليس لك عليهم سلطان إلا من اتبعك من الغاوين.
Over my true servants you will be able to exercise no power. Your power will be confined to the erring ones, those who choose to follow you.
وإن جهنم لموعدهم أجمعين.
Surely hell is the promised place for all of them.
لها 7 أبواب لكل باب منهم جزء مقسوم.
There are 7 gates in it, and to each gate a portion of them has been allotted.
إن المتقين في جنات وعيون.
As for the God-fearing, they shall be amid gardens and springs.
ادخلوها بسلام آمنين.
They will be told, enter it in peace and security.
ونزعنا ما في صدورهم من غل إخوانا على سرر متقابلين.
And we shall purge their breasts of all traces of rancor, and they shall be seated on couches, facing one another as brothers.
لا يمسهم فيها نصب وما هم منها بمخرجين.
They shall face no fatigue in it, nor shall they ever be driven out of it.
نبئ عبادي أني أنا الغفور الرحيم.
O Prophet, declare to my servants that I am indeed ever forgiving, most merciful.
وأن عذابي هو العذاب الأليم.
At the same time, my chastisement is highly painful.
ونبئهم عن ضيف إبراهيم.
And tell them about Abraham's guests.
إذ دخلوا عليه فقالوا سلاما قال إنا منكم وجلون.
When they came to Abraham, they said, peace be upon you. He replied, indeed we feel afraid of you.
قالوا لا توجل إنا نبشرك بغلام عليم.
They said, Do not feel afraid, for we give you the good news of a wise boy.
قال أبشرتموني على أن مسني الكبر فبم تبشرون.
Abraham said, What? Do you give me this tiding though old age has smitten me? Just consider what tiding do you give me.
قالوا بشرناك بالحق فلا تكن من القانطين.
They said, The good tiding we give you is of truth. Do not therefore be of those who despair.
قال ومن يقنط من رحمة ربه إلا الضالون.
Abraham said, Who despairs of the mercy of his Lord except the misguided?
قال فما خطبكم أيها المرسلون.
He added, What is your errand, O sent ones?
قالوا إنا أرسلنا إلى قوم مجرمين.
They said, Verily we have been sent to a guilty people.
إلا آل لوط إنا لمنجوهم أجمعين.
Excepting the household of Lot, we shall deliver all of them.
إلا امرأته قدرنا إنها لمن الغابرين.
Except his wife, about whom Allah says that we have decreed that she shall be among those who stay behind.
فلما جاء آل لوط المرسلون.
So when the envoys came to the household of Lot,
قال إنكم قوم منكرون.
he said, Surely you are an unknown folk.
قالوا بل جئناك بما كانوا فيه يمترون.
They said, Nay, we have brought to you that concerning which they have been in doubt.
وأتيناك بالحق وإنا لصادقون.
We truly tell you that we have brought to you the truth.
فأسر بأهلك بقطع من الليل واتبع أدبارهم ولا يلتفت منكم أحد وامضوا حيث تؤمرون.
So set out with your family in a watch of the night and keep yourself behind them, and no one of you may turn around, and keep going ahead as you have been commanded.
وقضينا إليه ذلك الأمر أن دابر هؤلاء مقطوع مصبحين.
And we communicated to him the decree that by the morning those people will be totally destroyed.